Hi, in this video, let me show you how to scan using your HP Deskjet 4252E. This printer has two different scanners, a scanner glass and one automatic document feeder that is on the top, and how to get the results directly on your phone using Wi-Fi so you can share them and do whatever you want to do with that. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as the other devices that are using. So if you're using a phone, you're going to connect it to the same Wi-Fi, probably your home network. I'll show you how it's done, and then I'll use my iPhone to demonstrate how to get the results on it. Step number one is actually to go on the printer itself and take a look at the Wi-Fi button. You see right above it, there is a light. This light needs to be blinking. This signifies that the printer is in pairing mode. If the light is not blinking, you need to press the X button and the Wi-Fi button both at the same time. Keep press until you see the power button flashing once. Then you can release those buttons. Let's do it together. So I'm pressing on both and I'm looking at the power button. Okay, it blinked once, I can release. And now the printer is in pairing mode. As you see, the blue light is flashing. Let's go on the iPhone. On the iPhone, what we need to do is to download the HP app. If you don't have it, open the App Store, press on Search, tap on the top and type HP. This is the app right over here that is compatible with this model. So go ahead and download it. Once the app is open, by the way, you need to be logged in into your HP account if you want to print and scan over Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, I don't make the rules, but this is how it is. If you don't have an account, it takes a few minutes, it's free. And once you're logged in, you'll be able to click on the plus icon on the top to add the printer. Then click on set up a new printer, this option. It should detect your printer and then press on Setup. Click on Enter to connect, enter password, and we have to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network, the same as the iPhone is currently connected to. This will connect the printer to the same network. Okay, I have done this. Wait a few seconds. Now we need to press the I button on the printer so that the setup continues. Press continue. Continue again. Decline optional data. You're not obligated to select accept all. So I'll click on that option. Okay, we are now on this page where you can see, over here, your printer with how much ink is remaining in it. This is the basic scanner glass. To input any paper here, you're going to put it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. And then you're going to align the top left corner with the top left corner of the scanner. Okay, push your paper so it touches that corner over there and close the lid. If you're going to use the top document scanner, automatic document scanner, this can scan multiple pages at the same time. You're going to take your paper or stack of paper and you're going to place it with whatever you want to scan facing up and with the top part of your page towards the left side. And you're going to glide it over here. If I'm going back on the main menu, the one with your printer, you're going to go down and select Scan. Tap on the top, and from here you can select a few details. So the page size you have input, the input source, so you have automatic, which means that the printer will decide where you have put your paper. Most of the time it works, but sometimes it's not working. So I'll select document feeder because this is where I have put my paper. Then you have quality. I would suggest you keep it at 200 unless you're scanning pictures, then 300 will give you slightly more details. And here you can select if you want to scan in black and white or in color. If I go back, you have a few presets. So you have documents, photo, and other ones. Honestly, just stick to these two, photo and documents. This is a document, it's not a photo, so I have keep it to document. All right, as you see, the printer disappeared. Sometimes when the printer sleeps, this could happen. So I suggest you wake it up. Sometimes it can help. Or go back and select again, scan. At the end, press the scan button and it should start. Okay, it finished scanning and I should see the result on my screen. Now this result will not be saved, so we're not done yet. Okay, it's appearing. At this point, you can have a few options on the top, like adding multiple pages to this document. You can rotate it. And down below, you have print preview. This will print whatever you just have scanned. You can also press on share save. Let me do it. And here you can edit the name of your scan. You can say home, whatever. You can edit the type of files you wish to save or share, JPEG, PDF, etc. And then press on continue. From here, you can share it with your favorite contacts on Messenger, with text message, with AirDrop. You also have more options over here, different apps that will accept your document if you want to share it. And if you want to save it on the memory of your iPhone, you're going to press view more and you have save to files. By clicking here, you'll be able to select on which folder you want the document to go on your phone, on your iPhone. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, comment, check my Amazon links in the description down below. I have put links directly to the replacement cartridges that are compatible with this model, so you don't have to search. Also, I'll put links towards photo paper and also plain paper if you need some of those. Thanks, subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment.